This morning we have unboxing of Mosin Nagant T53 Chinese Type 53, ordered from Century Arms. This was about, I think it was $128 for the next highest, the higher grade. I think they had fair and good, neither one of which sound fantastic. But I ordered the next higher one. I think with shipping, it's about $140 something, $142 maybe, delivered. So we'll see what it looks like. See, it is not exactly packaged super well. That is the worst trigger lock I've ever seen. We'll put that where it goes. That's in the garbage. Alright. So. Alright. It's not too bad so far. The tag here, let's see what it says. This is a rifle Type 3, Type 53 Chinese. Let's see. Little safety warnings. Not too bad with the cosomoline on it. It has, let's see, some, I'm sure, but actually I don't see much or any cosomoline on it right now. So maybe this thing isn't even going to need it. Need much cleaning, but let's see what the bore looks like. It's a nice bright bore. That's not bad at all. So I don't even need the gloves with this thing. But you can see there's actually no cosomoline on it, which kind of surprises me. Maybe these Chinese rifles are not stored with a cosomoline. Hard to say. But I got this one as kind of a project rifle. I'm going to see what I can do with it. I'm going to bring it up to the range today, see how she shoots, and then I will kind of decide how much work I'm going to put into it. I think I'm going to refinish this stock, not in a crazy way, just kind of get it done, you know. Let's just so it basically doesn't give me splinters like it looks like it's going to in some of these spots. The bluing is mostly worn off, but there doesn't appear to be any rust. Let's see about the numbers. 023771. 3023771. That is a different trigger group, obviously, and a different bolt. So the butt plate and the receiver match. Nothing else does. I'm not terribly concerned. These have almost no collector's value, despite the fact that it is almost exactly the same thing as an M44. So there it is. We'll go out to the range this morning and we'll get some more video of this thing in action, see how it's doing.